Managing SAP BusinessObjects deployment and have LSN license key files. These contain critical licensing information for SAP BI software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through installing and managing these SAP BusinessObjects license key files. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn LSN files. An LSN file contains license key information required to activate and run SAP BusinessObjects software. System administrators typically use this file during the installation or update process to validate the software suite. Users encounter this when they need to apply a new license or troubleshoot activation issues. This is a proprietary, encrypted, text-based file. Its structure is designed to be tamper-proof, containing encoded details about the license type, user count, expiration date, and product features. The encryption prevents unauthorized modification and ensures compliance with SAP's licensing agreements, acting as a digital key. The application responsible for generating the LSN file is typically SAP BusinessObjects, Business Intelligence by SAP SE. Opening this file outside of a dedicated environment can lead to irreversible data corruption. Windows cannot guarantee changes are safe, so misediting can cause instability. Your first step to success, right-click the LSN file and choose Open With. If SAP BusinessObjects Business Intelligence is installed, try it first. If you don't see it, pick a different tool. You might need to try a couple to find the ideal match. When a LSN file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. If your LSN file is still uncooperative, the time for guessing is over. Let's test these primary failure points immediately to confirm the source. First, installing in BusinessObjects. Log into the SAP BusinessObjects Central Management Console CMC as administrator. Navigate to License Keys section under Manage. Click Add Key Paste the LSN content or upload the file. The system validates and applies the license, activating the license features across your BusinessObjects deployment immediately. Next, verifying license status. Within CMC, navigate to License Keys. To view current license status, active features, user limits, and expiration dates. Cross-reference with your SAP entitlement records to confirm correct license application. This verification ensures your BusinessObjects deployment operates with proper licensing, avoiding compliance issues. Finally, renewing licenses. Contact SAP support or your account manager before LSN file expiration to obtain renewal license keys. Receive new LSN file via SAP support portal at support.sap.com. Apply through CMC following the same installation procedure to maintain continuous licensed operation of your BusinessObjects environment. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.